Hey there, this is Tom back with Alcons Audio. We're a Dutch manufacturer of professional sound systems. We're here in Las Vegas for InfoComm 2026. And we brought a couple of new products, we brought a couple of existing products to the show, among which not so old system is actually introduced last year, the QRP40 point source column, along with the QB363. The QRP40 point source column is basically a column speaker containing 8 times 5-inch woofers, and the woofers contain active coil technology. It's the technology that we've developed alongside our studio monitors. It's 2 coils inside the speaker to actively reduce the level of distortion. And in front, so coaxially mounted in front of the 8 5-inch woofers, is a 12-inch Pro ribbon driver. The Pro ribbon driver is typically the mid-high frequency technology we've mastered over the years into our go-to solution for any mid-high frequency reproduction system. In this case, it's a 12-inch Pro ribbon driver with a vertical dispersion, a line source dispersion of 20 degrees, so very narrow, and it's coaxially mounted, time aligned with the woofers, creating a super accurate, sharp projection in the vertical plane. So particularly for acoustically reverberant rooms or difficult acoustics, and still get the message across with full musical functionality, because this thing goes down to the 40 hertzes, -3, -10. And is a fully point source column for difficult acoustical applications. This can be combined for musical applications with the QB363. QB363 is a triple 12-inch stackable arrayable subwoofer, so it's modular, so you can create stacks of all the way up to 10 units, and to create a base array that you can either individually steer or you can control as just one single LF column. More information on qrseries.info or alconsaudio.com. Thank you very much.